Hey there everybody, guess what? We're going to Belize, man. We're going to Belize. We stop here at 7-Eleven for Maria to get a coffee. I don't need a coffee because you see I got back here, I got my ice box. Look at it. I got my Cokes in here. I don't know if you can see, let me put on my light. I got fancy lights in this thing now, man. I got my Cokes in there. Yeah, I put nice lights in here. Check out these lights that I put in the van. I installed these. Look at this. Whoa, ho, ho. Look at that. Disco Inferno. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to Belize, guys. It is 5:45 in the morning. We're gonna get up at 3, but we didn't get up that early. Couldn't make it that early, but we're on the way there. See you in a bit. I forgot to mention, along with these cool disco lights, we also have this feature here. Watch this. Watch this.
Yo tengo un carro que le gusta a las mujeres. Vamos de party con el flow y los poderes. No vendrán el corillo, no sabemos quién
Party time.
Yo tengo un carro.
Yeah, I installed all the lights by myself. I was gonna go to auto electrician. I thought I can do it myself. So off to Belize we go. Hey there, we are here in Jose Maria Morelos. We always stop at this Pemex gas station here, you know, for a quick little pit stop. Use the bathroom, stretch the legs. It's a nice big place. Hey, and you don't have to pay to use the toilet there. You have to pay to use the bathroom. So that's nice. So the trip is going pretty good. The combi van is running a little warm. A little bit warm. I might take it in for radiator cleaning in Chetumal, maybe. I'll see how it goes. It seems to be doing better now, but for a spell it was getting kind of hot. So let's see what happens. And we are on the way to Belize. This here is the village of Jose Maria Morelos. Not a village, it's actually a town, big town. You're gonna get good tacos here. But we're not gonna eat, we're gonna keep on going. Guys, we said what the heck? We're in Jose Maria Morelos. We said let's go eat some tacos. Our favorite little taco place right there. Look, it's a busy little town. Busy, busy, busy. Everybody driving through here to get to Chetumal or to get to Merida. So we're gonna have some tacos and then keep on going. It is 10:30 in the morning. Guys, this is the restaurant. If you watch our old videos, we've been here before. Check it out. I can't play it, show you a lot because of the music, but this is it right here on the highway. Tortilla factory is right in there. So you get fresh tortillas every time you eat. Anytime I sit on these chairs, I usually put 2 chairs together because they're kind of flimsy and I could feel the legs buckling out. So I always put 1, 2, and that does the trick. Alright guys, look, the food is here. This is carne asada de puerco. For you, Maria, she got 4. I got 6. And they actually give you lime. And then they have little hot sauces here. And have a good meal. We'll see you after we eat. And here in Mexico, what they do, they have a plastic plate and they put inside a plastic bag. So when you finish eating, that plastic bag goes in the garbage. The plate gets a little rinse, but it's kept clean by the plastic bag. That's the way it's done here. A lot of plastic bags go to waste. I had one comment a while back and we had tacos and they said, but that's not real tacos. They say real tacos are supposed to have a salad on the side. That's Taco Bell. These are real Mexican tacos. We had 12 tacos, Coke and a water. It came up to 13 US, like 26 Belize dollars. It was like 110 degrees in there. It was so hot because there's a tortilla factory next to it, and they have a tin roof. It was unbearably hot, and the tacos, I don't know.
You weren't hungry, that's
Yeah, maybe I wasn't hungry or what. Maybe I eat chips. Yeah, like it didn't really have the flavor I wanted. Oh, look at this here. Guys, you want to move to Mexico, you come to these little towns, these little villages, you can get a lot more for a lot less money. And they got everything. They got supermarkets, they got everything here. Yeah, so I wasn't too happy with the tacos. Maybe I did eat a can of like fake Pringles. Maybe that's why. So anyway, we're back on the road, and it was hot in there. The heat was horrible. So we're back on the road. See you in a bit. Here we are on the highway. We're getting pretty close to Chetumal already. I pulled over to have a little break, stretch my legs. It's a nice wide area here. So stop, stretch my legs a bit. I think there's a house in there. Just relax a little, and then off we go again. On the way to Belize. Chetumal is down that road, then you turn that way, you go to Belize. We might make a quick run into Chetumal first. Let's see what happens, guys. It's hot. That sun, it's so hot. So hot. Well, I guess we better keep on going, guys. Let's go. Enough lamping up. Well, guys, here we are. We are in Chetumal.
Claro que sí, claro que sí. Permítame un segundito, prima. Ahorita.
Yeah, so we're here in Chetumal, and I found a radiator place. So he took the radiator out. When he dumped out the water, he said it was filthy inside. It was filthy, so he's gonna clean it all out and get back together. In the meantime,
Está restringido tal vez.
time to have a Corona, a Modelo, and he's doing the work. We went to 3 other places, and they say, oh, come back tomorrow, and that, like, we don't have time to come back tomorrow. We're over here already. So there's the radiator water in there. Yeah, he said it was very filthy inside. Very dirty. So we'll see what happens, guys. I think that's all the problem, because it would get a little warm, it would cool down, and get a little warm, it would cool down, get a little too warm sometimes. So I figured, you know, let's get it done. You know, we got here without a problem from Merida, and it was an 8-hour drive. Not bad at all. So I'll let you know what happens. Good thing there's Oxo down the road, so I went and picked up a couple of beers to drink. What the heck, we're tired. See you in a bit. You're good, Drew. Guys, got these here stacks, Sabrita stacks, really good chips. So everything is ready. They're gonna put the cover back on. They have to go buy a little more coolant to put into it, because I didn't have enough. I had a gallon in here. Had a gallon and a little bit. So they went to get some more, and I put even new hoses. You know, while you take it apart, do good. So I got those hoses new, and the radiator flushed out. It was really dirty, eating some snacks, had some beers, and that's about it. We are on our way to Corozal Town Belize. You ready to go Belize? Yeah, we're ready to go Belize, guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Until another video, hopefully tomorrow. I don't know how long we're gonna sleep because we're getting tired. Bye bye.